Hello, friends! Wow! Look at this! Amazing looks interesting!
Hello, friends!
Wow! I love it!
Okay, let's do this.
This is green color.
This is blue color. Yeah!
This is red color.
Cyan color.
Orange color.
Blue color.
This is yellow color.
Brown color.
This is pink color.
Purple color.
This is train.
Looks fantastic.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
and 8.
9.
This is 10.
You are genius. Good one. Let's go over there.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! See you guys next with new exciting things. Bye, train!
Hello, friends.
Yahoo!
Wow, look at this. Awesome. Perfect. Let's open it up. Look at this slider. Yummy, so tasty and healthy. Who is that?
Hello, friends! That is awesome! It looks like we have 7 colors. Let's play!
They look so good.
Let's do the next one. Ooh! That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
Magnificent.
What's happening here?
This is an elephant. Of course. Let's do this. Orange.
Blue.
Pink. Purple. Red. Green. Yellow. Yippee!
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Wow!
This looks so much fun. Amazing looks interesting. Look at this place. Awesome. Hey, kids, want to play?
Let's do this. This is red.
This is a 1. Good. Let's do the next one. This is orange. This is 2. Awesome.
This is yellow.
This is 3. This is green. This is 4.
This is cyan. This is 5.
This is blue. This is 6.
This is purple. This is 7.
This is pink. This is an 8.
This is brown.
9. This is white. 10.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Whoa! Ooh, have a look here. Interesting. Wow, what a pleasant day.
Who is that?
First, I will show what I have.
Hey, let's go.
Yes, we are going to learn fruits.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Hey, come on. Let's go over there. This is an apple. Roll with me.
That is awesome.
This is an orange.
This is a pear.
This is pomegranate.
Mango. Banana.
This is dragon fruit. This is grape.
Watermelon. Strawberry. Kiwi.
This is cherry.
See you guys next with new exciting things. Hello, friends. Oh, wow. Interesting. That looks fantastic. Look over here. Let's play. Here we go. Red color. Perfect. Let's go for the next. Orange color. That is awesome. This is yellow color. This is green color. This is blue color. pink color.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Wow, look at this place. Awesome. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids.
Whoa! What's happening here?
Yes, we are going to learn fruits.
Let's go over there. This is an apple.
This is an orange.
This is watermelon.
This is cherry.
This is grape.
This is banana.
Strawberry.
Pineapple.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends.
Hello, kids. We are going to learn shapes.
What's happening here? Wow, look at this. Awesome.
Wow, this place looks so much fun.
Yeah, let's go. This is red circle. Good.
Let's go for the next. This is orange square.
Can you find what shape this is? Yellow triangle.
Interesting. This is green oval. This is blue trapezoid. Perfect.
This is purple star.
This is cross.
This is pink pentagon.
This is brown drop.
This is white flower.
This is black heart. That looks fantastic.
You are genius. Good one.
I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Whoa. Ooh, have a look here.
Amazing looks interesting. Let's look at the color of these balls.
Okay, let's do this. This is red color.
Let's do the next one. Perfect. This is orange color.
is green color.
This is yellow color.
This is blue.
This is pink color. Great job, friends!
See you guys next with new exciting things.